Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily run 32-bit programs and application on 64-bit Windows. So without any delay, let's get into it. Firstly, head towards Start menu and simply type Windows feature. Double click on Turn off Windows feature on. In this window, you need to enable Internet Information Service and Hostable Web Core and click on OK. Once this changes has been applied on your device, you will be good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can run 32-bit programs and application on 64-bit Windows. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.